What's going on, guys? So the big question is, how much lower will this go? Or is the market correction over based on the fact that we've been calling for this zone to find as support, to hold that support, and the market actually did? And are we going to now start making our way up? Okay, I'm gonna show you guys that might be the case. I think that we're gonna head on lower based on one single fact that happened towards the end of the close today. So before we dive into the analysis, guys, consider subscribing to the channel and give this video, if you could, 2 thumbs up. Actually, 1 thumbs up, because 2 will mean so that's not what you want to do. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. So thank you so much for doing it. Now, this is where I'm having a little bit of a hard time either entering a short position in the market or in the index, although I am already short. I closed a short position today on NEO, and I'm still holding that AMD short that we took on the Discord group. But having a short position here in the index with this deep correction already on the way, it's a little tough for me. So I'm still analyzing this. I'm still looking at it for clues and for the perspective of trying to find a bottom based on our Elliott wave counts. So this chart here in front of us is suggesting that the fifth wave has reached its point, although I don't think that is the case. And let me illustrate this for you. So just to quickly recap, right? Out of our B wave high in March, we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right now, we have evidence of potentially 5-wave subdivisions within the 4 and the 5th wave, but it's just forcing it. Let's dive down to the 15-minute time frame. Let's take a look. Now, this is going to be a quick notice thing, right? And let me reset this chart. Now, why I'm having a hard time here is that we do see 1, 2, potential 3rd, 4th, and 5th. But here's a problem, right? Right here is the problem. And to illustrate that, I have to dive in further into the 3-minute time frame. All right. Now, 3 waves towards the end does not make or break a trend, right? 3 waves. And that's what we have evidence of towards the end, right? You can clearly see it here, 1, 2, and 3, right? And then we started rallying back up. That is a really big red flag to me. And that is only letting me know that this cycle is not complete, but in fact, it's going to correct this rally. Okay, it's going to correct this rally. We're gonna go up in some sort of. We're gonna review it in the other alternate account, and then find resistance, and then short. This is going to be perhaps maybe the last area where we will hop on the short train to get us lower into this market. All right, so let me illustrate what's going on here. Let's go into our alternate account. All right, this one is still at play. I mean, we can force this one, but I don't like doing so. I just don't. So for that reason, I'm going to give us the the alternate account here, and this is the way I'm viewing this. We're gonna stay on the 3-minute time frame, and we're gonna take a look at this as the completed wave 1. Rather, this is the A, B, and C of wave 2. Okay, instead of this being the completed wave 5, which you saw in the previous count, this is the completed wave 1 here. We rallied in A, 3-wave pullback into the B, and now we're going to see a flat correction into the wave 2. So we're going to see 5 waves going up into the wave C of wave 2. All right, now how do we know if in fact, I mean, I can't, it doesn't fit in my mind. I mean, if we continue rallying higher, right, if we start breaking north of 405.77 at the very least, then perhaps we found the low. But for now, I see this as a B, and C. We take out this high briefly, trap some bulls, and then we head on lower. All right. That is the game plan. That is the game plan, guys. So you guys got to be prepared for this, because this will be the last shorting opportunity for the 3rd of a third, which is the heart of the climb. Okay, catching that trade is going to be pretty good if we are able to. I don't like chasing it, although I do have some short trades, but maybe scalping, I don't know. We'll see what happens. So if you guys want daily updates, join Trending Waves. If you guys have any questions so far in this video, let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to interact with you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know the levels that you're looking at. So yeah, I'm gonna see if, all right, So we're going to take our traditional fib levels, all right? And obviously we may break beyond the 23.6% retracement because the wave A and B, right, will go at the very least towards the 1272, all right? And the 1272 falls right smack between these two levels. So the 396, 395 in the SPY is the zone of resistance that I'm looking for this market to roll over and give us that last trade opportunity. Okay, guys, so that's it for the SPY. Now hopping over to the triple Qs, the NASDAQ ETF triple Qs. I always mix that up. Let's go up to the 1 hour time frame and let's take a quick look at our potential count here. Now, again, just like in the SPY, I don't favor this as being the completed cycle, right? The completed primary degree in the wave 2. Although, if you guys been following the channel, you know that this is a zone that I was looking for. Actually, in fact, yesterday's video, this was the zone that I was looking for support and some sort of bounce. The bounce is not nowhere near aggressive nor impulsive. So for that reason, I don't think this is it. So let's take a look at our alternate count, which suggests further downside. All right. Now I'm gonna reset this, get us back down to the 3-minute time frame, and we're gonna take a look. Okay. Oops, my bad. So again, we ended this as a 3-wave move down. I don't think, guys, that this is it. All right. Now we put our anchoring wave 2 here. We're gonna take a look at this as the wave 1 into the wave 2 into the wave 3. All right, that is what I'm looking for. So let's label this together: 1 into the 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's take a look here for now. So this would be the A, the B, and the C. All right, levels to watch here to the upside are going to be the 1272. All right, equality perhaps. So let's leave equality on for the sake of this video here, because we did not technically break this law. So this could still, well, this is still a flat, but rather the 295 will likely be where we're going to be stopping, and then we're going to short this market. So up in A, 3-wave pullback into B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 into the wave 2, wave C of wave 2. So now, if you guys are not aware, a flat correction, how it differs from a zigzag, is that a zigzag will be an ABC, just like in the flat, right? But the A wave in the zigzag has 5 waves, the B 3, and the C 5. Where in the flat correction, we have the C as the A as 3, the B as 3, and then the C as 5 waves, right? And there's different types of flat correction. So I plan on doing the video this weekend, showing you the different types of corrections and how we can trade them possibly, right? Normally we'll see the C wave as the possible wave in the correction to trade. But anyway, that's a different story. So anyway, that's it for me tonight, guys. I think that we are going to see more downside, unfortunately. I know it's going to be more painful. And if today looked like we might have been at the bottom, given the fact that we have been selling off for the past 6 weeks. But unfortunately, I don't think that's the case. Unfortunately, I think we've already reached the midpoint. Actually, let me just illustrate here real quick. We've reached the midpoint of the COVID lows. All of this, right? All of this here, we've already reached at least the midpoint of that COVID rally. So not looking good, guys. Not looking good. But the positive side of all this is that if this is the wave 1 and the 2, right, we still have 3 waves pull back here. There is a big opportunity coming our way. So for that reason, I'm going to end this video here today. Let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, give a thumbs up, and join Trending Waves. Peace out.